guys, Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with more tech and more reviews, and really this time it's more of a tutorial, just because I talked to a lot of people and I got a lot of comments about Apple Pencils, and a lot of people, you would not believe, did not know that these tips or these tops of the Apple Pencils were actually interchangeable and replaceable. So today what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna basically show you how to do this. Very simple procedure. All you gotta do is take it and unscrew it. Once you get it unscrewed, this is what your Apple Pencil will actually look like. Little yellow nub that's sticking out. Now these tips, like I said, are replaceable. With the Apple Pencil Gen 2, they did not give you a replacement, but if you have a Gen 1 box laying around, you probably have something in there similar to this. The Gen 1 tip actually can be replaced or swapped out with the Gen 2. That's really the only thing that works from the Gen 1 over to Gen 2. So this pencil, as you can see over here, is still working. I replaced that tip. You are good to go. So let's say that you actually do not have a Gen 1 sitting around like I do, a Gen 1 box, and you just have this one. You can go onto the Apple website and you can get 4 of these little tips for about 19 bucks. So if you do need to replace that tip, they can be replaced. Just go onto the Apple website, and also if you do have the Gen 1 Apple Pencil, unscrew it. You still get that yellow nub, and this is the one I just took off of the Gen 2 Apple Pencil, and there you go. Now this won't work with that iPad, so I can't really show you, but just know that it does work. These are interchangeable, and even if you go to Apple's website, it basically says these tips are for Gen 1 as well as Gen 2. So for the 17 people out there that didn't know that this could be done, there you go. It can be done. These are interchangeable, and you can swap them out if something happens to your pencil tip. Like I said, those tips are interchangeable. So if you buy the 4-pack from Apple, Gen 1 and Gen 2, they both use the same exact tips. You don't have to worry about picking the wrong one. And hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I'll drop a link below so you can actually pick up some of those tips for yourself. Until next time, be sure to continue to give me that big thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.